Hello guys, in this tutorial video, I will teach you how to fix the error code 11 on your Rheem Tankless water heater. First thing to do is turn on your hot water. There's no hot water that you can feel here. So you need to go to your tankless water in your garage. Usually, it's located in your garage. Then you will see an error code 11 there. Here you can see error code 11. It's blinking and there's a beeping sound. All you have to do is call your manufacturer. So here I will call the manufacturer Rheem because our brand is Rheem. Why I need to call my Rheem manufacturer? It is because I have a 5 years warranty for the parts and 1 year free labor, but I can't able to get the labor anymore because it's past 1 year already. So the only thing I can get is the 5 years warranty part. Once you contacted them, they're gonna ask your name, address, telephone number, and also the serial number and the model number of your Rheem. So be prepared for those questions. Your serial number and model number is located in the front of the tankless water heater. The customer service is gonna instruct you to remove the front panel of the tankless water heater and look for the lid on your ignition coil. Here I didn't see any lid on my ignition coil. That's why he agreed to send the part to me. So he told me that it takes 3 days to arrive the parts, but he asked me also if I want the 1 day shipping, but I need to pay $30, but I prepared the 3 days delivery able to be free. So after 3 days I received the ignition assembly. So this is what it looks like. So this is the part I need to change able to get rid the error code 11. This is the one it calls why I don't have hot water. So I need to install it. Able to install it, you need to power off to avoid electric shock, and then remove the plug and then turn off like this the gas. This is the gas, the red one. Then open the panel, remove all screw, and this is what it looks like inside. So where's the ignition coil? So I will show you. This is the ignition assembly. This one, that one. So we need to replace that. And this is the wire going to lit the gas. So we need to unscrew the ignition assembly, but you need to unplug it first. Just pull this part, this white cable here, you remove it, and this rubber you need to keep that to install later. That's the one to protect your cable. Here we need to use the screwdriver to unscrew this ignition assembly. Once you remove the screw, it is still connected. You just need to pull it from the cable. Sorry, it's a little bit dark because I did this at night. I can't wait for tomorrow because we need hot water. connect it. You see that there's a 2-pin. So that 2-pin you need to put in the hole. After you connect, just return them back to its place and then screw again. And then this L rubber here that you removed a while ago, you need to put it back. Just connect this cable, insert it like this. After you insert it, you need to adjust the L rubber because this is the protection able to avoid the electric shock or the short circuit. This is the rubber that you need to return. This is the protection to avoid fire also and short circuit. Done. Return the panel and screw. Then plug it, turn on the gas, and then power on, so you will see green. Turn on your faucet, turn on your hot water, then you should see this red and green, and there's no error code or beeping sounds, so you're done. Then return to your faucet and try to touch the water if it's hot. So now there's a hot water. Oops, it's really hot. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share.